Hello everybody, welcome back to class. This is Shahnaz Parveen here with your online class. How are you doing? I hope all of you doing great at home. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, in our last class we started a class on parts of speech. We have already learned nouns and pronouns. Dear students, in today's video, I am going to tell you everything there is to know about adjectives and what they are exactly. Let's get started. Adjective is a word that describes or clarifies a noun. It gives you information on people, things, ideas, nouns or pronoun. An adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun or pronoun, including its quality, quantity, and position. Uses of adjective. Adjective can be found before the noun. It's called the attribute position of adjective. Attributive use. Adjective plus noun. I have a red dress. Meena is a clever girl. Look at the sentences. Here the adjective comes before the noun, dress and girl. It's called the attribute position of an adjective. Adjective which are found after the verb describe the subject of this verb. Usually a noun or pronoun is called the predicative position of adjective. Predicative use. Noun plus ... plus adjective. Look at the example. My dress is red. Meena is clever. Look at the sentences. Here the adjective red describes the subject my dress and clever describes the subject Meena, but it placed after the verb to be. Types of adjective. Adjective are mainly divided into 4 types. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, pronominal adjective. An adjective that shows the quality of a person or a thing is called adjective of quality. It answers the question, what kind? Look at the example. Bangladesh is a beautiful country. Jenny is a smart girl. Look at the sentences. Here, beautiful and smart answers the question, what kind of country and girl is. The words which describe the quantity of a noun or pronoun are known as adjective of quantity. It answers the question, how much? Adjectives of quantity mostly describe uncountable nouns. For example, I ate some rice. There is little water in the pot. Here, some and little answer the question, how much rice and water. Much, little, some, any, enough, all, whole, half, no, more, none, most, sufficient, few, etc. use as a adjective of quantity. Numeral adjectives show the number of a person and thing or in what order a person or a thing stands. It answers the question, how many? I have bought 3 books. Here, 3 answers the question, how many books? Adjectives of number is used with countable nouns. Adjective of numbers are 2 types. They are definite numeral adjective, indefinite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective. The adjectives that tells us the exact number of people or things is called definite numeral adjective. Look at the sentence. Tanim is the first boy in the class. There are 6 seasons in a year. Indefinite numeral adjective. Indefinite numeral adjective don't include exact number. Look at the example. All men must die. I have few friends here. When a pronoun is placed before a noun and serves the function of an adjective, it is called a pronominal adjective. Each boy was present in the class. This is an example of pronominal adjective. Pronominal adjective can be divided into 5 types. Number 1, demonstrative. Number 2, distributive. Number 3, possessive. Number 4, interrogative. Number 5, relative. Demonstrative adjective. Words that are used to point out a specific person or things are called demonstrative adjective. These, that, these, those, the same, such, etc. are the examples of demonstrative adjective. Look at the sentence. This movie is interesting. This is the same book that I bought. Here, this, the same is the example of demonstrative adjective. Distributive adjective. A word used to refer each and every person or thing is called distributive adjective. Each, every, either, neither, any, one, both, etc. are the examples of distributive adjective. Each boy was given a prize. We should utilize every moment of our life. Look at the sentences here. Each and every are the examples of distributive adjective. Possessive adjective. Possessive adjective shows something belong to somebody. It shows the position of nouns. My, your, its, their, his, her, etc. examples of possessive adjective. Look at the sentence. This is my brother. Give me your pencil. In the sentences, my and your are the examples of possessive adjective. Interrogative adjective. The adjectives that ask questions related to nouns are known as interrogative adjective. What class are you in? Which book do you read? Whose pen is this? These are the examples of interrogative adjective. When the relative pronoun which, what, that used before a noun functions as an adjective and at the same time joins two clauses or sentences is called relative adjective. Look at the example. He asked me which dress I wanted to buy. He gave me that book which I wanted to read. These are the examples of relative adjective. Some other adjectives. Proper adjective. An adjective derived from a proper noun is known as a proper adjective. Look at the example. Bangladeshi people are hospitable. Indian goods are not superior to us. Emphasizing adjective. The adjectives that are used for emphasizing are known as emphasizing adjectives. They are also called intensifying adjectives. Look at the example. This is my own house. This is the very book I was looking for. Here own and very are the examples of emphasizing adjectives. Participle adjectives. A participle is a verb that ends in ing or ed and is used both as a verb and an adjective. It may also be called verbal adjective. Look at the example. Mr. Jaman is an experienced teacher. This is a flying bird. Here, experience and flying are the examples of participle adjectives. Compound adjective. It is an adjective with two or more words, usually a hyphen between them. Look at the example. This is an out-of-date mobile set. The lion is a bloodthirsty animal. Here, out-of-date and bloodthirsty is the example of compound adjective. Exclamatory adjective. Exclamatory adjective is a word that expresses sudden or strong emotion. Usually, what is used as an exclamatory adjective? Look at the example. What a fool you are. What a charming boy he is. Dear students, now it's your homework time. Pick out the adjectives in the following and say their class. Write down. Number 1. I have not seen him for several days. Number 2. There should not be much talk and little work. Number 3. The child fell from a great height. Number 4. Good wine needs no bush. Number 5. I saw it with my own eyes. Number 6. This boy is stronger than Rohim. Number 7. You have no picture. Number 8. Certain boys are playing. Number 9. Dhaka is a large city. Number 10. We have enough time. Dear students, this brings me to the end of the lesson. That's all for today. Now I hope you have a clear idea on adjectives. I will be back with the rest part in my next class. Take care till then. Keep watching and keep learning. Stay at home and maintain the rules of health. See you.